Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I literally look crazy right now because I'm getting ready. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna attempt to do the Maddy Euphoria look kind of combined with something else. So we're about to see how this goes. I'll pop the picture up right here. But yes, I'm getting ready to go. Me and my friend are going to a drag show for Pride Parade. So yeah, so this is, I have my hair in rollers because I'm trying to do like that flip look that everybody's doing right now. So I don't really know how that's gonna go. But the first thing I did was wash my hands, then I primed my face. So now we're gonna attempt to do this look. This is a judgment-free zone. Thank you. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna start out with brows, which I feel like you guys have seen me do my brows like 800 times. Okay, so next we're gonna clean up the brows with some concealer. Okay. Next, we're gonna conceal the lid. Fenty Beauty concealer. Okay. Take my face powder, set my eyes. Okay, so we're gonna attempt a liner and then see how it goes from there. Pray for me.
Where are my tweezers?
Okay, I think that's a good size. Don't y'all? That size? Okay, pause for intermission while I find these tweezers. And we back, ayy. And we back, and we back, ayy. Hit this intro for Andre and sound like Kanye. Trying to turn my baby mama to my fiance. Okay. Found some tweezers. So what we're gonna attempt to do here is one, put these like on top of something so they're less hard to, so they're not as easy to lose. Oh my god, English. This is my first time doing this, okay, so please don't judge. Okay, I feel like that's enough. I don't want to take too many out because then I gotta put them back in. So let me close this because that's an accident waiting to happen. Okay, too far. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take some lash glue. I don't have any clear lash glue, okay? I just don't. And we're gonna lay these out. This would be like 10 times easier if I didn't have acrylic nails. Which makes sense why Maddy doesn't have acrylic nails in Euphoria. Actually, I'm gonna set these like on top of this because it's flat. I think it might work better. This is a trial and error process, okay everyone? The hardest part, like this isn't a hard makeup look, it's gonna be getting these rhinestones on there. That's gonna be the difficult part. Like I can already tell you guys. Oh, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't do it on the rhinestone, but rather on the eye, maybe? What do you guys think? This is about to be a mess. Yeah, okay. We're gonna try to, okay, first let's see. Like I said, this is trial and error, so please, this is like a we learn together. Let's do like a little dot, like right here. First rhinestone, people. Everybody hold their breath. Oh, that one has glue on it. Girl. Miss thing. Are these too big? Or are these just the right size? We'll see as we get. I think it's a little big for right there, but I think once we get in there, it won't look as like aggressive. Okay, now I see why they say to use clear, but I just didn't have clear glue, okay? Okay, it's starting to come together, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, once I finish this eye, I'm doing the other eye off camera because this is too much, okay? It's actually, let me stop before I mess up. It's all about the placement of the rhinestones, which is like very difficult. I'm glad I didn't use the smaller ones. I mean, I think the smaller ones would have looked cool too, but it's like a lot of work. Also, I feel like we need to give it up for the makeup artist who did this look, because this is like super time consuming. Like super time consuming. I mean, it looks good. It's just time consuming. Okay. So she needs her little props. Also, I'm not really sure how this is gonna come off. That'll be a battle that we fight when we get there. You know? Oh my god, can you guys imagine me using the smaller ones? Oh. Probably could have gone bigger than this, honestly. Okay. Oh my god, I'm almost done. It doesn't seem like it, but literally, I'm almost done, you guys. Almost to the wing. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I just like to thank God, but not only Jesus. Oh my god. Does that help that my hands are like super sweaty? I'm gonna do maybe 2 more, guys. Maybe. I legit have no idea how I'm gonna get these off later tonight, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Actually, I think one more will do it. And maybe a baby one. Actually, this is the last one, guys. Woo! Oh my gosh, it looks so cool and so fun. Ta-da! One eye done. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do my face makeup. Okay, so I finished the other eye off camera, and then I took a yellow liner and did a dot, and a white liner and did a dot, and then I just completed my face routine, which if you haven't seen it, it's in my full Fenty face video. Did the same thing. Oh, I need to put on bronzer, but then I just did my lips the same, with the exception of I put like a pink like this in the middle. And yeah, so now for the hair and the fit, let me put a little bronzer on. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is put the Body Lava and Trophy Wife all over, and then I'll be back with the full hair and the fit. This is the finished look. Pants are from Forever 21, top is from Forever 21, and then I'll give you a close-up of my face. So this is the makeup look. And then this is the hair. I just put like a little thing in there. And then a necklace, and then 2 little baby hoops. So yeah, hopefully this translates onto Instagram really well. Okay.